I'm Matt Javernick. I'm fellowship trained in sports medicine and shoulder. I have extra training in trauma and total joint reconstruction. So coming out of CSU, once I went back to get my prereqs, I went back to the same advisor that told me to be an engineer, to leave the doors open. So as a non-traditional student coming back to get my prereqs for med school, and I went back to him again and he said, would you apply to this military school at National Naval Medical Center, Uniformed Services? And I said, sure. I knew nothing about it, but went out there, and once I interviewed, USIS was a perfect fit for me. And so off I was with a military scholarship. I didn't want to burden my parents with the loans of medical school, but it was a great fit. Ended up working at Walter Reed for multiple years, getting my training during Iraqi freedom and enduring freedom. And then subsequently to that, that gave me excellent exposure to not only trauma, but to sports medicine. Favorite part about being a physician is seeing a change in people's lives, making them better, getting them back out there to do the things they love. Colorado's awesome. I love to mountain bike, I love to rock climb. I still snowboard a fair amount. I don't skateboard as much. My body's a little more brittle at this point, but I love being outside. With my athletic background, I can relate to my patients by their love of sports. I still have that love of sports now, and I can't always do everything that I used to be able to do, secondary to the injuries that I've had and some of the pain that I live with. And if I can make that better for anybody, it's a win-win for both of us. I'm so excited to join OCR because, gosh, this is a group I've known before I even went to college. The early guys, Harvey and Megsman, operated on my knee twice back with old injuries riding my skateboard, and then I rotated with Kinsfather when I was at CSU getting my engineering degree right when he got here. And then during my residency, I was able to work with Trumper, Gray, and Kinsfather again. I'm so excited to be back to Northern Colorado, just to be back to my family. So I came from a family of 5 kiddos. Both my parents were teachers in Loveland. My dad was a high school teacher. My mom's a kindergarten teacher. She still is at 83, and she's down at Garfield. And I'm super excited to be back here next to family and old friends that I've had from grade school, for crying out loud. I look forward to welcoming my patients into my clinic here in Northern Colorado, whether they're young or old, whether they're recreational athletes or professional athletes, and I can take care of anything from a simple sprain all the way up to a complex joint reconstruction or joint replacement. And I look forward to helping people get back to an active lifestyle and enjoy Colorado.